Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got a bag from Ipsy, and this is a mystery bag. This is called the Modern Edge Mystery Bag, and this is a bag that is 5 full-size items, and usually these bags are $30. They had a big sale on their mystery bags, and this was marked down to $25. Not necessarily a big sale for this particular bag, but they had a bunch of other things on sale, and I was sort of late to the party, so I missed out on them. But this is the bag. They actually had this in plastic and they have everything thrown into the bag. So why I got this was, like I said, it's usually $30. It's 5 full-size items and it cost $25 instead of $30. And it said that it possible Kate Somerville Tarte, was really excited about that prospect, and Rare Beauty. I already know what's in here because I looked at pricing. So let's see. Let's see. There are 5 full-size items in here, just like they say. We always have to start off with a primer, don't we? This is the Rodial, or Rodial, some people say, glass primer. Primer for a flawless glow. This is very nice packaging, beautiful silver, and it is flat, which is nice. It's a nice primer. If you like primer. I don't really use primer. This is valued at $39, okay? And next up, we do have a Tarte item. That's the only item out of what they said you could get that I got. And this I have had before. This is rather interesting. You see this package, okay? It's called Clay Pot, Amazonian Clay Waterproof Liner. It's an eyeliner, okay? And when you open this, it says it's in rose gold, which is the one that I have. When you open this up, here is the product, y'all. This is the product. So it is an eyeliner. It is, I have used it a couple of times because I didn't know what it was the first time I got it. And it actually does real well as a base for eyeshadow. As an eyeliner, not necessarily the best thing for me, but see that nice false bottom? Anyway, this is valued at $21. And next up, this is my favorite thing in the box. A lot of y'all may not care for it, but this is Mint Biology. This is Rejuvenating Mask, Plump and Lift. There's 5 masks in here, 5 intensive care serum infused sheet masks. And this is valued at $30. I like the brand Mint Biology. And here are the masks in here. There they are, okay. And very nice. I like the brand. The brand is good. So I'll be happy with it. $30. So that makes each of these masks worth $6. $6 each, y'all. So if you're following at all my treasure trove, this is a bonus item for that, okay? And if you don't know what I'm talking about, send me a message and I'll explain it to you. And next up, I do have a palette. And then I also have, this is Carmella, Forward K, Backward K. And this is a lippy. It's a silk matte lipstick long last formula. And this is valued at $24. It's very beautiful packaging. See that K? Can you see that? It's just black on black, so hard to see. And it is a magnet closure, which I adore. And then this is the color. I love this lippy, but I feel like I have it. I'm looking over at my lippies right there. I may have it, but not opened. But I love it. So I do like this too. At least there's a couple things in here that I do like. $24 for that. And then the last thing we got is a palette, and this is Lovecraft Beauty, a blush palette, and this is valued at $39. And this opens like this. And same inside, very beautiful, and it is beautiful. It has, the plastic on the mirror, and also has plastic on the shades, and it is like tacked down, so I'm not going to take that off of there because this will go into a future giveaway most likely. So these are the shades. Very, very pretty. Hope you can see. Yeah, if I take the glare off of there, it's very beautiful. And then the mirror has this edging all around it. It's a very pretty mirror too. So that is valued at $39. So my bag is valued at $153, and they said it would be valued at $161. So that's $8 difference. Are they saying this bag is $8? You know, I did think this bag looked really, really cute on the site. Did I even show it to you? I showed it to you for a second, but okay. There's the Ipsy tag, little brass tag. And this is plastic. You can see through it. It's no big deal of a bag. It's a nice bag. You can wash it off. I love the animal print. Love, love, love that. But is it worth $8? No, it is not worth $8. So that is my Modern Edge mystery bag from Ipsy. And maybe it'll save you all the trouble of buying it. But you know, I mean, I paid $25. I pay the $1.99 that we always pay. So I got the masks. I do like the masks, and I do love the lippy. I think the palette is beautiful. I just have too many blush palettes. And this little thing, like I said, I have it. So somebody is going to love it probably. Just, it's not my thing. And also, I don't use primer. So, but if I'm going to get primer, this is what I'm going to want to get, is the Rodial brand, because they're excellent brand, an excellent UK brand. Love it. And that is my bag, y'all. So thanks. I'll take pictures if I remember and put them on Instagram. Thanks for stopping by, and count your blessings. Good to see y'all. Bye-bye.